Okay, week 4B, hip 30-30 circuit. Okay, 6 different movements, 5 rounds. So we've got first movement is a plank clock, so it's a core-based movement. I'll go through that now. All right, so we're going to be on all fours, making sure that your feet your knees just slightly come off the floor. Okay, so about 2 inches off the floor. Little bum tuck and push through the floor, and this is our start position. Okay, so from here we take the hand and we bring it up and touch the other hand. Then we go to the knee, then to the knee again. Then what we do is slide it back a little bit, go to the foot, come back to start position, back to the other foot, back to start, and then we change over. Okay? So we're going to go hand, knee, knee, foot, foot. It doesn't matter which knee that we touch first or second, or the foot that we touch first or second, as long as we go in that order. Okay? Movement 2 is a reverse lunge thruster. Okay, so normal reverse lunge, held in this position. Okay, we're going to go into reverse lunge, come to the top, press overhead. Okay, then we'll change over to the other side. Okay, and press. Right, remember that the lunge, we're going to use all that momentum to try and press overhead. So what we're not going to do is lunge back, come up, then press. Right, use the momentum of the up phase to press it overhead, then come back to rack and go again. Okay, number 3 is a machine. So you're going to go on the machine, 30 seconds on, 7 to 8 out of 10. Okay, number 4 is a single arm dumbbell floor press with a Turkish sit up. Okay, so don't need to be a hero on this, so quite low weight. All we're going to do from the floor is press it and then sit it up. So it's not a Turkish get up where we rotate and press, it is a Turkish sit up. It's a completely different movement. I'm going to sit up and press it overhead. Okay, so normal floor press technique, then going to press overhead. Right, sit it up overhead, control the movement coming back down, bring it back down, press up overhead. Okay, that's the movement. Try to negate feet coming off the deck. That will happen a little bit. The heavier you go, the less control you'll have with your abs, so make sure we're not heroes and we make sure we get a smaller weight. Okay? Movement 5 is a side plank, 45-degree knees with an abduction. Okay? So, you can use a mat for this. I'm not going to use one because I'm on the grass. We go into a side plank, knees at 45 degrees. So they're not in here, tucked behind us at 90. They're in front a little bit, 45 degrees. From this position, I'm going to take my weight on my arm, okay? I'm then going to drive upwards and open up this leg. So I'm going to abduct, take it away from the midline of my body. So I'm going to drive through and open. Then I'm going to come back to the start position and sink back in. Drive, open, come back, sink back in. Drive, open, sink back in. Okay? And that is the movement. 6 is a machine. So we've got plank clock, reverse lunge thruster, machine, single arm dumbbell floor press with a Turkish sit up. Okay, what we can do is we can change either side on 15 seconds for that. Okay, so we'll do 15 seconds one side, 15 seconds the other. 45-degree side plank with abduction. Okay, we can either go for the full 30 on that and then just change sides. So we do 3 on one side, 2 on the other, or we can change on 15s. It's entirely up to you. And then a machine for 6. Enjoy.